had some people asking about a dry mix for Rice-A-Roni, and so we are getting ready to make that. So we are going to start off with 1 cup of vermicelli pasta and 1 cup of long grain rice. Okay, so that's 1 cup. And then I added 1 cup of rice on top. This is a 2-cup measuring cup, okay? So we are going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of minced onions, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of celery salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of thyme. And that is our dry mixture that we will be adding to our Rice-A-Roni. So we are getting ready to make the Rice-A-Roni. And the reason why the rice and the pasta has to be separated is because we have to brown this, okay? So you can't add this to the dry mix. So I just added 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat, and I'm going to let the butter melt, and then I'm gonna add my rice and my pasta. And then again, I am going to cook that until it is golden brown. So my butter has pretty much melted. I'm going to add my rice and pasta. And then I'm just gonna stir it up so that the butter can get on most of it. And so again, I will toast this until it is golden brown. Let me show you what it looks like. As you can see, the rice and the pasta is totally coated in the butter. Just make sure you are stirring this up occasionally. Now, if you don't have vermicelli pasta, you can use thin spaghetti. Just make sure that you break it up into 1-inch pieces or maybe like a ½ inch piece, okay? So you don't necessarily have to use the vermicelli pasta if you don't have it. Just use thin spaghetti. And as you can see, it is already starting to turn that golden brown color that we want, okay? So I'm just gonna continue to cook it some more so that it gets a little bit more brown. And look how beautiful that is. Okay, that's what you want to see right there, the golden brown. Now I am getting ready to add my liquid, which I am going to do 2 cups of water and 1/4 cup of broth. Now you can do 2 and 1/4 cup of water if you want to, okay? But I'm gonna do 2 cups of water, 1/4 cups of broth. So I have 2 cups of water, and then I have 1/4 cup of chicken broth. And then I am going to add my dry mix. Just stir it up. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to reduce the heat, and then I'm gonna let it simmer. It's boiling now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and reduce the heat on here. I'm gonna put my lid on, and I will let this simmer for 16 to 18 minutes. So it's actually only been about 10 minutes, but I just checked it and all of the liquid has pretty much absorbed, okay? This is what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. That is really good. So good. Super easy to make. And that is it.